Discover the 7 preeminent superfoods that can effectively tackle proteinuria and expedite kidney healing. Are you exasperated by renal issues and seeking a natural, potent solution? Envision uncovering a hidden gem in your pantry capable of rejuvenating your kidneys. Indeed, that's correct. Welcome to our channel, where we embrace a health-focused lifestyle in an enthralling yet straightforward manner. These superfoods are teeming with nutrients and offer unique benefits that can bolster kidney function and overall health. Let's delve into proteinuria. Proteinuria is a condition marked by an excess of protein in the urine. Ordinarily, proteins are too large to be filtered by the kidneys. However, if the kidneys are impaired or stressed, they may begin to excrete proteins into the urine. This symptom is often associated with various renal disorders and is frequently considered an early warning sign of kidney disease. In its early stages, proteinuria typically does not present noticeable symptoms. However, if left untreated, it can lead to more severe health complications. Common causes of kidney problems include diabetes, hypertension, and certain diseases that cause kidney inflammation. Prioritizing kidney health is crucial to manage proteinuria effectively. It's essential to make certain lifestyle adjustments, particularly regarding dietary choices. This is where our remarkable selection of superfoods comes into play. We have meticulously selected a range of superfoods known for their positive impact on kidney health, reducing inflammation, and maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. These foods not only have the potential to control and reduce proteinuria, but also promote overall health, making you feel better both physically and mentally. Let's begin by taking notes. Here are the top 10 superfoods. 1. Quinoa. Quinoa is an excellent choice for individuals seeking to maintain renal health. Its exceptional nutritional value distinguishes it from other grains as a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. It's an excellent dietary option to manage proteinuria, offering high-quality protein without overburdening the kidneys with excessive waste to filter. Additionally, quinoa contains a wealth of antioxidants and vital minerals like magnesium, which play a crucial role in reducing the likelihood of developing hypertension and diabetes, both of which can exacerbate kidney issues. This food is also rich in fiber, vital for maintaining good digestive health. A healthy digestive system is fundamental for the body's detoxification processes, including those of the kidneys. For a smooth cooking experience, it's important to rinse quinoa thoroughly to remove saponins, a natural coating that can cause stomach irritation. 2. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are an excellent choice for a kidney-friendly diet due to their low potassium content, which is important for individuals with kidney issues. Adding red bell peppers to your meals can be beneficial for those whose kidneys struggle to process potassium effectively. These fruits contain a variety of essential nutrients, such as vitamin C, A, B6, and folic acid. These nutrients are known to help reduce inflammation and protect the body against oxidative stress, which is crucial for maintaining kidney health and managing proteinuria. Did you know that vitamin C plays a vital role in helping the body absorb iron and boost the immune system? Meanwhile, vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision and supporting immune function. Red bell peppers not only delight the palate but also play a critical role in promoting a healthy digestive tract and reducing high cholesterol levels, which in turn ensures optimal kidney function. Their versatility in the kitchen makes incorporating them into your diet very easy. They can be enjoyed raw, stuffed, roasted, or blended into sauces. 3. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent choice for promoting kidney health because it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s play a vital role in addressing inflammation, a common issue in kidney disease, and can help reduce proteinuria levels. These healthy fats are also essential for maintaining cardiovascular health, which is particularly significant because kidney disease can significantly impact heart function. Additionally, salmon is a fantastic source of protein that is gentler on the kidneys than red meat, producing less waste during metabolism, making it a healthier option for those looking to effectively manage renal stress. Salmon also provides vitamin D and selenium, both of which are beneficial for health, crucial for maintaining optimal health and supporting a strong immune system. It's recommended to choose wild salmon for optimal health benefits, as it generally has lower contaminant levels compared to farmed salmon. Adding salmon to your meals several times a week can help improve kidney function by reducing inflammation and providing important nutrients. 4. Cabbage is an excellent choice for those looking to promote kidney health. This vegetable is rich in essential nutrients such as vitamins K and C, folate and fiber, which are important for maintaining good health and preventing disease. Cabbage is a superb option for renal diets requiring careful potassium control due to its low potassium content. It contains phytonutrients like indoles and glucosinolates, which can help your liver detoxify and eliminate toxins, ultimately reducing the strain on the kidneys. Moreover, these compounds possess properties that can effectively address inflammation commonly associated with kidney disorders. There are various ways to enjoy cabbage, whether raw in salads, in coleslaw, or cooked. It's recommended to cook this food lightly to preserve its nutritional value and aid digestion. 5. Blueberries are a fantastic option for maintaining kidney health and managing proteinuria due to their high antioxidant content. They are known for their ability to provide numerous health benefits. These fruits contain powerful antioxidants like anthocyanins, which can help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. This can be particularly beneficial for preventing kidney damage and slowing the progression of kidney disease. Though small in size, blueberries pack a significant punch in terms of health benefits. They not only provide a good amount of vitamin C and fiber, but also contribute to overall health and can indirectly support kidney function, especially cardiovascular health for people with renal issues. It's worth noting that blueberries have low levels of potassium and phosphorus, which can be beneficial for those looking to manage their intake of these nutrients. Incorporating them into a kidney-friendly diet is very easy. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or dried in smoothies, salads, or as a standalone snack. Adding blueberries to your diet can have a positive impact on factors reducing proteinuria and renal stress. 6. Spinach is a nutrient-dense superfood that offers numerous benefits for kidney health. This nutrient-rich food not only contains high levels of potassium, but also provides a wealth of other beneficial compounds like beta-carotene, vitamins C and K, and antioxidants. These components work together to protect the kidneys from damage and promote overall well-being. Spinach is packed with essential nutrients like folate and magnesium, which play a crucial role in preventing diseases and promoting overall health. However, it's important to consume this food in moderation, especially for individuals who need to control their potassium intake, as it has high potassium levels. Did you know that cooking spinach can reduce its potassium content? This is great news for people with kidney problems who need to be mindful of their potassium intake. The anti-inflammatory properties of spinach can also help reduce kidney inflammation and support proteinuria treatment. 7. Cherries are an excellent choice for individuals with kidney problems. They contain high levels of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which can effectively reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Studies have shown that these substances can significantly lower uric acid levels in the bloodstream. This is particularly advantageous for reducing the risk of gout and kidney stones, both of which can exacerbate kidney problems. Cherries are also beneficial for managing blood pressure, which is important for kidney health. Whether fresh, frozen, or 100% natural juice, cherries can be a great addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Eating cherries consistently can help address factors contributing to proteinuria and reduce the risk of additional kidney damage.